repeat it. Okay, see, this is a thin spherical shell, positively charged. This is the center. I have to consider a point outside, that is P, having position vector small r. Okay, it's then I have considered a small surface element having area delta vector s. We know that if I put a unit positive charge and this is positively charged, the electric field will be in this direction because positive will offer repulsive force. Okay, and unit vector in this direction is r cap. The radius of this thin spherical shell is capital R. In order to have a Gaussian surface, okay, I have considered this Gaussian surface. Okay, and surface charge density here is sigma, that is charge upon area. Okay, from now, see here, flux linked with this small surface element delta phi equals to vector E dot delta S can be written as E delta S cos 0 equals to E delta S. So total flux will be equal to sigma of E delta S for all delta S. Considering delta S tends to 0, it will be converted into integration E ds for total surface area, and that is for this sphere the area will be equal to 4 pi r square. I have written here. So phi will be equal to E into 4 pi r square. According to Gauss's law, it is sigma q upon epsilon naught. Sigma q is q for us, okay, total charge on this, that is q upon, so sigma equals to, that is surface charge density equals to charge on the sphere upon area of the sphere. From that it is q upon 4 pi capital R square. Okay, so q over say sigma q will be equal to 4 pi capital R square into sigma, that can be placed here. And then comparing equation 1 and 3, okay, we get E equals to sigma capital R square upon epsilon naught small r square, and direction is r cap. If we replace sigma, okay, that can be replaced as small q upon 4 pi r square. In that case, vector will be equal to q. If I put here q upon 4 pi capital R square will be cancelled. So q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square into r cap can be written as kq by r square into r cap. Means it behaves as a point-like charge for outside points. Now, if we consider inside point, suppose this P, okay, that is next topic actually. Then what will happen? In that case, this remains same. Okay, suppose this is the, for this small sphere, radius is r. Okay, so position vector is vector r cap, vector r. Okay, but in that case, what will happen? Sigma q will be 0, because in that case charge enclosed is 0 for this case. Now we are discussing this case. Okay, here sigma q equals to 0, that is charge enclosed by this Gaussian surface. In that case, flux will be equal to 0 upon epsilon naught, so that is 0. Now if I compare equation 1 and 3, comparing equation 1 and 3, okay, E into 4 pi r square will be equal to 0, therefore E will be equal to 0. So for all points inside this shell, okay, electric field will be 0. For all points outside the shell, this sphere will behave as a point-like charge. Okay, and for point on the surface also, it will behave as point-like charge, and the formula will be kq by r square. Okay.